Hello, in this tutorial, we're going to do something really interesting. Acorns versus Robinhood investing. I'm going to walk you through a line of comparison. So, Acorns or Robinhood, which investing app is the right fit for you in 2025? So, in this video, I'm going to break down their features, fees, ease of use, and ideal users so you can make an informed choice. Now, Acorns and Robinhood are two popular investing apps, but they serve different types of investors. Acorns is built for beginners who want to automate their savings and investing through features like roundups, while Robinhood is best for hands-on investors who want to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto in real time. So let's go ahead and compare the features side by side. Number one, investing approach. Let's look into that. Acorns uses automated investing through diversified ETF portfolios based on your risk level, while Robinhood offers commission-free trading of individual stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Now let's look at automation. Acorns shines with automation tools like roundups, recurring investments, and smart deposits. While Robinhood is manual, you place trades when and how you want with no automation. Then let's look at financial tools. Accounts includes retirement accounts, IRAs, a checking account, and custodial accounts for kids. Robinhood offers high-yield cash accounts and margin investing for Robinhood Gold members. Let's look at crypto support. Acorns has limited crypto exposure through diversified ETFs, while Robinhood supports direct trading of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now let's look at pricing. Okay, let's talk about cost because of course that's what matters. Acorns charges $3 or $5 per month depending on your plan. Robinhood is free for standard investing, but Robinhood Gold costs $5 per month and adds premium features like margin, level 2 market data, and higher interest rates on uninvested cash. Now let's take a look at user experience. Both apps are sleek, no doubt, but who wins on usability? Now, Acorns has a simple interface with minimal decision making, perfect for beginners and passive investors, but Robinhood is more advanced, designed for users who want charts, analytics, and live trading data. Who should use each? So here's the bottom line. Choose Acorns if you're a beginner who wants to grow money passively with zero effort. If you love automation and long-term saving, Acorns is ideal. Now, choose Robinhood if you want to pick your own stocks, actively trade, or explore crypto markets with a hands-on approach. Acorns and Robinhood cater to different styles of investing. Acorns simplifies the journey for passive savers, while Robinhood puts the power of Wall Street in your pocket. So which one is right for you? That's you to decide. Of course, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.